Car repairs don't have to drain your wallet. With just a few tools and under $20, you can tackle essential tasks like changing engine oil, replacing air filters, swapping wipers, checking tire pressure, and replacing bulbs. These simple DIY repairs improve performance, save money, and extend your car's life. Take control of your vehicle, stay safe, and enjoy the satisfaction of being a DIY car owner. Changing engine oil. Changing your car's engine oil is one of the most important maintenance tasks you can do yourself. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps keep your engine cool, preventing wear and costly damage. Over time, oil loses its effectiveness, so replacing it regularly is essential. With a socket wrench, oil filter wrench, drain pan, funnel, new oil, and a fresh filter. This task is simple and affordable. Start by warming the engine, draining old oil, removing the old filter, and replacing it with a new one, ensuring the gasket is properly sealed. Pour in the recommended oil, check levels, and adjust as needed. Performing this every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car, extends engine life, prevents overheating, and saves on mechanic fees, making it a highly satisfying DIY repair. Changing the air filter. The air filter ensures your engine receives clean air, which is crucial for efficiency, fuel economy, and long-term performance. A clogged or dirty filter can reduce acceleration, harm fuel efficiency, and even damage the engine over time. Fortunately, replacing it is easy and inexpensive. You'll need a screwdriver or socket wrench and a new air filter that fits your vehicle. Locate the air filter housing, remove screws, and take out the old filter, noting its position. Insert the new filter properly, replace the cover, and secure it with screws. This simple task takes minutes, improves airflow, and enhances engine performance. Checking and replacing your air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more often in dusty conditions, keeps your car running efficiently, reduces wear on engine components, and is a quick, cost-effective maintenance task every driver can handle at home. Replacing windshield wipers. Windshield wipers are vital for driving safety, ensuring clear visibility in rain, snow, or fog. Streaky, noisy, or worn wipers can create dangerous conditions, making it difficult to see the road, signs, or other vehicles. Replacing them is simple, inexpensive, and requires no special tools. Lift the wiper arm, release the clip or tab, securing the blade, and remove the old one. Slide on the new blade until it locks securely, then lower the arm. Test wipers to ensure streak-free operation. Replacing them every 6 months or sooner if damaged ensures optimal visibility and safer driving. This quick, easy repair protects you and others on the road, prevents accidents, and keeps your vehicle compliant with safety regulations. Properly functioning wipers are a small investment with a big impact on safety and confidence behind the wheel. Checking and adjusting. Tire pressures. Proper tire pressure is essential for safety, fuel efficiency, and handling. Underinflated tires can lead to poor fuel economy, uneven wear, harder steering, and even dangerous blowouts, while overinflated tires can reduce traction and ride comfort. Checking and adjusting pressure is easy with a tire pressure gauge and an air pump or compressor. Remove valve caps. Measure PSI with the gauge and compare it to your car's recommended levels found in the manual or driver's door sticker. Add air if needed, or release excess. Replace valve caps when done. Regularly maintaining correct tire pressure improves safety, enhances fuel efficiency, extends tire life, and ensures optimal performance. Making this a monthly habit or before long trips is a small effort that prevents expensive repairs and keeps your car handling reliably in all conditions. Replacing bulbs. Working headlights, taillights, and interior lights are critical for safety and are legally required. Burned out bulbs reduce visibility, increase accident risk, and may lead to fines. Replacing bulbs is easy, quick, and inexpensive, often under $20. Consult your car manual to get the right replacement bulbs, and depending on your vehicle, use a screwdriver or socket wrench to access the assembly. Remove the old bulb, insert the new one carefully, and reassemble. For headlights, avoid touching the glass to prevent premature burnouts. Replacing bulbs in pairs ensures balanced lighting. This simple repair improves visibility, ensures safer driving, and prevents unnecessary expenses or legal issues. Regularly checking your lights helps avoid accidents and keeps your vehicle road ready. Replacing a cabin air filter. A cabin air filter ensures that the air inside your car is clean and free from dust, pollen, and other allergens. Over time, this filter can become clogged, reducing airflow, making your air conditioning or heating less effective, and causing unpleasant odors inside the vehicle. Replacing the cabin air filter is a simple, cost-effective DIY task that can usually be done in under 15 minutes with minimal tools. Most cars have a cabin air filter behind the glove box or under the dashboard, and you simply need to remove the old filter and insert the new one in the correct orientation. Regularly changing this filter not only improves the air quality in your car, but also reduces strain on the HVAC system, ensuring better performance and a more comfortable driving experience, all for under $20. Checking and replacing. Fuses in your car protect electrical circuits from damage due to short circuits or overloads. When a fuse blows, components like your radio, headlights, or interior lights may stop working. Checking and replacing fuses is easy and inexpensive. Locate the fuse box using your owner's manual. Identify the blown fuse by checking for a broken wire inside and replace it with one of the same amperage. This quick DIY fix restores electrical functionality without requiring a mechanic. Keeping spare fuses in your car ensures you can handle minor electrical issues immediately, saving both time and money while preventing small electrical problems from becoming larger, more expensive repairs. Regularly inspecting fuses also helps you catch potential wiring issues early. Tightening loose battery terminals. Battery problems are a common cause of unexpected car breakdowns. Over time, battery terminals can become loose or corroded, which may prevent your car from starting or cause electrical issues. Tightening loose terminals is a straightforward DIY task, requiring only a wrench and a small amount of care. First, ensure the car is off and remove any metal jewelry to avoid shocks. Inspect the terminals for corrosion and clean them using a mixture of baking soda and water if necessary. Then, use a wrench to tighten the clamps securely, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the battery. Regularly checking your battery terminals ensures a reliable start, improves electrical system performance, and helps prevent being stranded due to a dead battery. This simple step costs almost nothing and can save you from costly towing or battery replacement. Replacing a serpentine belt. The serpentine belt powers essential engine components like the alternator, water pump, and power steering. Over time, it can wear out, crack, or snap, leading to engine overheating or loss of electrical power. Replacing it yourself is feasible, with basic tools and under $20 if you purchase the belt separately. Start by consulting your car's manual to locate the belt and understand the routing. Use a wrench to release tension on the belt tensioner. Carefully remove the old belt and install the new one following the correct path. Releasing the tensioner secures the belt in place. Regularly inspecting and replacing the serpentine belt prevents breakdowns, avoids expensive repairs, and ensures your engine and accessories continue running smoothly. This simple maintenance task increases reliability and reduces the risk of being stranded due to a snapped belt. Cleaning and inspecting battery terminals. Dirty or corroded battery terminals can prevent your car from starting and reduce electrical system efficiency. Regular cleaning is a simple DIY task that can save time and money. Begin by turning off your car, removing metal jewelry, and disconnecting the negative terminal first. Mix baking soda with water to clean corrosion, scrubbing gently with a brush, then wipe the terminals dry. Reconnect the terminals, starting with the positive side, and ensure the clamps are tight. Performing this maintenance regularly improves battery performance, prevents unexpected breakdowns, and prolongs battery life. It's a low-cost, easy task that enhances overall vehicle reliability and ensures your car starts smoothly in all conditions. Car maintenance doesn't have to be expensive or difficult. For under $20 and with minimal tools, you can handle essential DIY repairs like changing oil, replacing air filters, swapping wipers, checking tire pressure, and replacing bulbs. These simple tasks save money, improve performance, extend your car's lifespan, and give you confidence and pride in taking care of your vehicle safely and efficiently.